Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick chili paneer. First, gather all your ingredients, including a 200-gram block of paneer, colorful bell peppers, and onions. Cut the paneer into uniform 1-inch cubes, which helps them cook evenly and absorb flavor. Next, prepare your cornstarch slurry by mixing 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of water. This will be crucial for thickening our delicious sauce later on. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Carefully add your paneer cubes and pan-fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Remove the paneer and set it aside. In the same pan, add your sliced bell peppers and onions. Sauté them for about 2 minutes until they are slightly tender but still retain a pleasant crispness. It's time to create our flavorful chili paneer sauce. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of freshly minced ginger garlic paste for an aromatic kick. Finally, pour in your prepared cornstarch slurry. Whisk everything together until the sauce is smooth and well combined, ready to coat our paneer and vegetables. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. Return the fried paneer and sautéed vegetables to the pan with your prepared chili sauce. Toss all the ingredients gently but thoroughly, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated in the rich, glossy sauce. Cook for just 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce thickens and clings to the paneer and vegetables. Garnish with fresh spring onions and serve your quick chili paneer hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.